What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Vivo V25 Pro by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. For this testing purpose, we have set the refresh rate to 120 Hz. We will use the Ultra game mode provided by Vivo to play all of these games. The battery percentage is 67, CPU temperature is 33 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Let's play these games and let's see how good our Vivo V25 Pro is going to perform. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here you can see the widget for Ultra game mode. By default it is on balance mode. I will select the boost to get the best performance out of the device, and now let's play the game. So the graphics quality is great, as you can see. We are getting great amount of details and the gameplay is very smooth as well. So there was no frame drop, no lagging, everything was very smooth and the graphics quality was great as well while playing Injustice 2 on Vivo V25 Pro. Right now the battery percentage is 67, CPU is at 35 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to play the next game, and that's Call of Duty Mobile. Here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default high graphics quality is selected along with high frame rate. I can select the max frame rate with very high graphics quality. That is the maximum possible graphics setting. And now let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So the graphics quality is really great. Lots of detail in everything. If you have a look on the wall, the ground, it's so good, and the 3D graphics rendering is also very nice. The gameplay is very smooth while I'm changing the camera angles. Let's play the game. Let's see how good it's going to be. Once again, if you have a look on the wall, you can see the texture of the stone and everything, the depth. It's so good.
Inside! Target down! Target down!
There is no frame drop, no lagging happening. As you can see, the graphics quality is great. Everything is very nice and smooth.
Let's go, let's go! Enemy down!
Sentry gun ready for deployment. UAV online.
Tango down. Target inside. Sniper. Target down.
Stealth chopper on standby. We're ready.
Enemy inside. Tango down.
Sentry gun deployed.
Sniper eliminated.
UAV online. Swarm activated.
Target
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Stealth chopper inbound.
enemy down. Contact with enemy. Tango down. Sniper eliminated.
And here we go. So as you can see, everything was nice and super smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Vivo V25 Pro here. There was no frame drop, no lagging, graphic quality was great, and we faced no issue while playing this game here. Right now the battery percentage moved to 65, CPU temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 36 degrees Celsius, and now it's time to play Asphalt 9. Here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9 you can see we have selected the high graphics quality and the frame rate is set to 60. The graphics quality is great. If you have a look on the ground you can see how much detail we are getting. Also, if you have a look on the cars, the reflection of the light and everything, it's so good. There is no lagging, no frame drops, gameplay is very smooth and the graphics quality is brilliant. And here we go. So now the CPU temperature is 38, battery temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the battery percentage is 64. Now let's play Alto's Odyssey. So I'm playing the game for the first time here on this device, so it is showing me all of these instructions. But as you can see, the graphics quality is really good and the gameplay is very smooth here as well. No frame drop or lagging is happening. It's quite smooth. And here we go. But as you can see that everything was nice and smooth while playing Alto's Odyssey on Vivo V25 Pro here. Now the battery percentage is 63, CPU temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 37 degrees Celsius. And now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default HD is selected for graphics quality and high for frame rate. I can select HDR, I can not select the Ultra HD. If I go to smooth, then extreme frame rate option is getting enabled to play. So I will use the HD graphics quality and ultra frame rate to play PUBG Mobile on our Vivo V25 Pro here. So here you can see we are getting great amount of detail. If you have a look on the character's costume, the reflection of the light from the shoulder pad, the reflection of the light from the surface, the crease on the costume, lots of detail. It's so good. And the changes in camera angle is also very smooth. The 3D graphics rendering is nice here as well. Once again, if you have a look on the exterior of the plane, you can see how much detail we are getting, reflection of the light from its body. So good. Also the depth of field is good. If you have a look on the plane and the ground below, it's pretty impressive for sure. Once again, you can have a look on the surrounding and you can see we are getting very nice details here. So if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea that how good or bad the gameplay is going to be while playing it on Vivo V25 Pro here. As you can see, it's pretty smooth, no frame drops or lagging is happening. So not much action is happening right now, so I'm just gonna leave it here. As I said, if you are a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea about the gameplay and how smooth it's going to be for you. So now the battery percentage is 61, CPU temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So you can see that the device is not warm at all, even though after playing all of these games, it is just slightly mildly warm at the back panel. Both in terms of number and hands-on experience, the device is not hot and the battery performance is quite nice as well. After playing all of these games for like 35 minutes, the battery percentage moved to 61 only from 67. So the battery performance is quite impressive as well. So if you are a smartphone gamer, then you will be happy with the performance of the device for sure, the Vivo V25 Pro. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.